There are 1,000 ways to describe us. But one feels true. We are what we do. And at Godrej, we craft. We craft for what endures, holding together poetry and engineering, values and ambition, with people and planet at the heart of what we do. We craft progress, rooted in empathy. Moving industries forward with green chemistry. We craft prosperity for those ready to grow. We craft abundance so those who reap can garner more. We craft spaces where dreams are lived and joy finds its way. We craft goodness that stays with you through the everyday. We craft a world where work meets life and ideas become art. We craft with our hands, with our minds, and with our hearts. Godrej Industries. Crafting tomorrow since 1897.